How to recover your old account on Clash Royale. This video is super simple and easy, so this video does help you. Make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is you're going to have to click on this three dots all the way to the right on top. Now from here, you're going to have to click on settings. So it should be a second last option. It should be before Supercell ID. Just click on that. Then once you click on settings, you're going to have to click on this option right here where it says help and support. Then once you click on that, it should take a while and it should bring you to this page right here. Then once you are at this page, you're gonna have to wait a while and you're gonna have to click on this first option right here where it said account. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down and click on recover your account. Just click on that plus sign right there. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the first option right here where it said I have lost access to my account. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down slowly. Then once you scroll down, as you guys can see, you do need the player ID, you do need the account level, name of the clan, club, neighbor, text force if your account is currently in, the translations ID of purchases you have made on the account. So you need some of them, you don't need all of them, but if you do have it, you're gonna have to click on open support ticket. So it doesn't matter if your account was banned, if you lost your account, somebody hacked it, you could literally get it back just like this. So you're gonna have to click on your problem, you're gonna have to click on account access and Supercell ID. Then once you do that, you have many options you could choose from. For example, compromise or locked account. So that's if you got hacked. Your banned account, that's pretty self-explanatory. If you did get banned, you have the last one where it's a recover my account if you just lost it in general. So I'm gonna just click on recover my account right here. Now it should make you wait a while and it should give you all these questions. So you have many options you could choose from. For example, a different game account. This account I'm currently contacted you from. So I'm gonna just be like a different game account just for the sake of this video. Now from here, you're gonna have to fill this whole thing out. What is the player tag of your lost account? What is the name of your lost account? What is the trophy count of your lost account? What clan did you belong to if you did belong to any? So once you fill all this up, just click on this little option right here where it says submit, and they should email you back with that count in 48 to 7 days. So if this video does help you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.